Meaning of endnote.
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 Endnote. An endnote is a reference placed at the end of a document or section of text, providing additional information on a particular point. Endnotes are used to avoid interrupting the flow of text with detailed explanations or citations. They typically include bibliographic information such as author, title, publication date, and page numbers. Endnotes are often numbered or formatted with symbols to distinguish them from footnotes. In academic writing, endnotes are commonly used to cite sources and provide further reading for readers interested in exploring a topic in more depth.